Hey guys, it is me, Lily. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing, Luxy hair extensions, and review. I've already had this for a few days, so I already opened it. I've been wearing it for a few days. That is why I'm going to give you guys a review. Luxy is not sponsoring me to do this video. I want to do this for just viewers and people who just want to look into hair extensions. Before I get started, I just want to tell you why I chose Luxy hair extensions. I've known them since I was in 7th grade. I didn't have enough money back then, and I would go to Sally's Beauty. I'd buy the hair extensions, like the weft, buy the clips, and sew them in and make my own hair extensions. It did cost a lot, but it was definitely a lot cheaper than buying hair extensions from Luxy. I've always wanted Luxy hair extensions. Now that I'm older, I'm able to buy my own hair extensions from Luxy. Celebrities, they wear Luxy hair extensions, and here are a few names. Kim Kardashian, Camila Cabello, Hailey Bieber, Dove Cameron, Ariana Grande, Bella Hadid, Sophia Richie, Maddie Ziegler, and Barbara Palvin. So there are definitely more celebrities than what I've just listed, but these are just the few celebrities that wear Luxy hair extensions. Let's get started. It came in this really cute pink packaging, and it says it's a good hair day. I thought that was super cute. I just love the packaging. It's adorable. I already opened the packaging. Let me just show you what's inside. So when I ordered this, the order came with a free pearl headband, and this is the Luxy pearl headband, obviously. The next thing is a pamphlet that you get in your package. This pamphlet just shows you before and after, how to care for your hair extensions, and how to put your hair extensions on if you're new to hair extensions. So that's what the pamphlet explains. Next is obviously the Luxy hair extensions itself, and I got the seamless in Mocha Brown, 180 grams of hair. When you first open it, it should look like this, and there should be a 2 clipped weft hair on this. What you're supposed to do is read this first. And I don't want to read it and take away the experience for you guys if you're new to Luxy, but basically it's just a test weft to make sure that the hair extension color matches with your own hair. If it doesn't, you can return and exchange it, but if you open the hair that is down here, the rest of the hair extensions, it says cannot return or exchange if open. You're not supposed to open the bottom unless the hair extensions work with your hair. And obviously it's gonna be a lot neater. I've been wearing mine for a few days now. Care for your hair, and you could just read that. Like I said, I don't want to read it and take away the experience for you guys. It's just fun reading all of their tips. So it should come in a hairnet, and this is a 10-piece hair extension. Some of them come with 9, and I think some of them come with 10. I got the 180 grams, so it's quite thick. Moving on to the hair extensions, you have the 4 individual clips, hair wefts. So you have 2 of the 2 clipped wefts, and you have 2 of the 3 clipped wefts, and then you have 2 of the 4 clipped wefts, and one of the 4 clipped wefts is actually longer than the other. Yeah, those are all your hair extensions that you get. I'm gonna take my small wet brush and just brush out my hair. This is freshly washed hair. Make sure you don't have any tangles. You're gonna need a hair tie or a hair clip. I think hair clip is a lot easier to use. You'll want to start with the nape of your neck and clip up the rest. And if you don't know how to clip up your hair extensions, there are instructions on that pamphlet. I'm gonna start with a 3 clipped weft. So once you grab it, you want to brush it and make sure there are no tangles. I'm not gonna turn around. So just open the clips. Starting with the middle clip, you want to clip that one in first, and then clip the 2 on the outside. And these are the seamless hair extensions, so they stick pretty close to your head, so it's not like noticeable, and that's why I chose these seamless ones. Alright, and then you're just gonna slowly just move up. I'm gonna take the shortest 4 clipped hair extensions. The one that's longer doesn't fit around my head. I'm gonna take this 4 clipped weft and just open your clips and repeat. Make sure it's not tangled and then apply. Alrighty, and then you have that. Again, repeat the same thing. Make sure you have enough hair to cover your hair extensions. You do not want to apply any hair extensions too close up there if you have thin hair like I do. Otherwise, the hair extension is gonna show. I know I look goofy right now, but I'm taking the last 3 clipped weft, snap it open, and apply. Alrighty, and now we're gonna move on to the hair extensions on the side. We're gonna apply more hair extensions to the side. So the last things that we have are the two clipped wefts and the 4 individual hair extensions. Normally I alternate between the two. More likely I'll wear these guys though and add this if I want more volume in my hair. The 2 clipped weft, brush it, and then unclip it. And what we're gonna do is, this is for the side because this all right here is just my regular hair. So I usually try to apply hair extensions under the eyebrow because if it was up here, my hair extensions would definitely show because I have thin hair and not a lot of it. I'm just gonna find a spot for me to clip it in. And here we are. I'm just gonna take the clip and clip off the hair and apply this on. And now I have hair mixed in with my regular one. Moving on to the other side, we're gonna do the same thing. Try to keep it under the eyebrow if you don't have a lot of hair. There you go. Now you just wanna brush out your hair. Find where you wanna part your hair. I like to change up my part. Usually I part it on the side and then sometimes I part it in the middle. But now that the hair is all blended. Alrighty guys, so that is how I put in my hair extensions. My first initial impression of the hair extensions when I took it out of the packaging, it was so soft, it felt so real like human hair. I have used heat on it, but I'm not gonna curl it today. I normally just wear my hair straight all the time. I won't curl my hair unless I feel like it or I'm going to a special occasion. I love the hair, it's super soft. I just love these hair extensions. There's nothing bad for me to say about the quality of it. The only thing that I would slightly complain about is when I got my hair extensions, the clips on the weft was broken. Good thing though, they sent 2 extra clips. I asked my mom to sew in the other one for me because it was broken. She did have a thicker yarn or string to like sew it back in, and it was kind of a bitch. I would just complain about like the clip because I feel like they don't really check the clips when they send you it, and sometimes they send you bad ones. You have to take the time, your own time, to like fix your own hair extensions, and it's kind of a bitch honestly because I remember in 7th grade it took so long for me to sew in the clip-ins on the wefts. That was the only thing I would complain about. Mine just came in with the broken clip, but they did give extras. It's just a hassle to like do on your own. But other than that, I love these hair extensions. They're so soft. They are rummy human hair. You can style it, you can wash it. I have not washed my hair extensions yet because I just got it, but I have used heat on it. I love these hair extensions and they're my babies. I love them. They're so easy to clip in, and I'm so glad I bought, you know, Luxy hair extensions. I'm really happy with them. They're so pretty and pretty long. Let me just sit up for you guys. So that's the Luxy hair extensions. I didn't even use all of the clips. These are the hair that's left. And you know, you can alternate between the wefts. You could use whatever weft you like and you know, just customize it. They're not damaging at all if you put it in right. You just gotta play around, mess around with your hair and see what works for you, because everybody's different. If you guys have any questions, you can comment them down below and I'll try my best to reply back to you as quick as I can. And if you guys want to see more content, make sure you subscribe. But I believe that is it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye!